addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon. You're on the horizon. I'm a butterfly who has only begun, taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life and what you give. It's worth it when you're holding me, when you hold me so close. I'm blithering under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered.
Right, you guys, so I cleaned a bit the fridge. I also need to have a look in the freezer to see what I got. I have some old stuff that I didn't use. I'm not sure if they're still good or not, and yeah, if they still are, I need to make a meal plan and to use them. I have a lot of veggies, not meat, but lots of veggies. So yeah, I need to get this sorted. I'm doing all this because I'm planning a meal prep, and I'm not gonna meal prep like completely. I'm not gonna cook the whole dinner and just put it in the freezer. I'm planning just to chop the veggies that I've got and put them together on the freezer bags for the meals that I'm planning to do. So when I decide to do that meal, I just take out that bag from the freezer and cook it. So I don't spend a lot of time then chopping and cutting, and you know what I mean, yeah. So yeah, that's my plan. Guess that's it. Let's get into it. Let's finish with the fridge now. I use this microwave, fridge and freezer wipes that I bought from Cherries. They actually okay. They smell nice. What's up, my bunny? What's up, my bunny? What do you want? What do you want? You want the cheese? Be careful. So as I was saying, I bought this from Cherries, and yeah, I really like them. They smell nice, and it says here it kills bacteria and restores hygiene. Ideal for other kitchen appliances. So yeah, why not? I don't think I will. I'd rather use my vinegar with water, but they're not bad.
So we talk about the past for a moment. I forget why we never lasted. With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here
I was planning today actually to do this meal prep and everything, and I couldn't. And I can't finish now because Skyla is like, you can hear her already. But I have to put her to sleep now, so I really need to get this done. And I said I'm gonna wash all my veggies, I'm gonna clean the fridge, and I will leave this overnight. And I know that tomorrow morning when I wake up, I have to do them. It's just I can't postpone again, you know what I mean? So they are here on the counter and I must get this done. So yeah, I will continue tomorrow with the meal plan, not meal prep, because I'm working on a meal plan too. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. And now I'm gonna start prepping all the veggies that I need for my meals this month. And I'm gonna start with the celery. Like I said last night, I washed it, let it dry, and now, sorry my bunny. And now, because it's here in the morning, I will start with this to make sure it's done. So yeah, let's get into it. I have here a bag of carrots and a bag of parsnips. So I decided to cut them into small cubes. This is what I do in general, but cut them into small cubes and mix them with the celery. I'll put everything in small bags. And I also have in the freezer some chopped onions and peppers that I've bought from Aldi the other day. And I will also mix these all together and yeah, get them ready for my meals for this month. So I'm just trying, I guess, to make things more simple for me in the kitchen, at the least in the kitchen, if not in general, which I'm trying to, but you know, things don't work like we think they will. And yeah, so I have everything prepped here. Once they're done, put them in the freezer right away.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything, then there's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love. The things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. 'Cause I got this list of my favorite.
Today I received this package from Amazon, and I ordered some dates like 2 weeks ago, and they just came today. So it was a bargain, guys. There are 2 kilos of dates, and I've paid £2 and 43, less than £2.50. Less than £2.50. I will put the price on the screen. But yeah, it was a real bargain. So you guys, you must try this. They are so good.
yeah, I can't understand why the price is like this, but yeah, oh, I'm so happy it is. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, my way of making things more simple for me, like I said, at least in the kitchen, if not in everything. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, for watching this video. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye guys.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I got